A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from E to 3 UK, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before you start, ensure that your E account is active and that you are not under any contract obligations that would prevent you from porting your number. Step 2. Request a PSE code. Contact E to request your porting authorization code for PSE. You can do this via their customer service number or through the E app. The PSE code is valid for 30 days. Step 3. Sign up with 3. Once you have your PSE code, go to a 3 store or their website to sign up for a new plan. During the sign-up process, you will be asked if you want to keep your old number. This is where you enter your PSE code. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After submitting your PSE code, it usually takes a few hours to transfer your number. You will receive a confirmation once the transfer is complete. Make sure your old SIM is still in your phone until the process is finished. Step 5. Test your new SIM. Once you receive confirmation, insert your new 3 SIM card and test to ensure your number has been successfully ported. If you encounter any issues, contact 3 customer support for assistance. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps should help you navigate the process without a hitch. Good luck with your new plan.